Saltwells Local Nature Reserve is a jewel in the crown of Dudley Borough. Just a stone's throw from Merry Hill Shopping Centre, it is an oasis of peaceful tranquillity where visitors can wander through ancient woodland or climb hills of heather and gorse. This mosaic of natural habitats stretches from the grass and scrub of Cinderbank in the north, through the ancient Saltwells Wood with its carpet of spring bluebells, to the willow carr of Mushroom Green in the south. The hamlet of Mushroom Green, with its quaint nail-makers' cottages and chain shop, is a glimpse into a bygone era, the Black Country as it used to be. Walking away from Mushroom Green towards Saltwells Wood, the visitor has a choice of exploring Dalton's Clay Pit, a site of special scientific interest. The geology of the middle coal measures laid down during the Upper Carboniferous period, around 310 million years ago, can be seen in the cliffs around the edge of the clay pit. The bottom of the clay pit holds several small spring-fed pools which are important sites for dragonflies. The western part of Saltwells Wood was designated a Scheduled Ancient Monument in 2002 due to the rare survival of earthworks and buried remains of mining activity dating back to at least the 1300s. The earliest remains consist of a series of shallow depressions and hummocks, where mining activity followed surface outcrops of coal and iron ore. As these easy deposits became exhausted, deeper bell pits, named after their shape, were dug to reach further reserves. In the springtime, the floor of the wood is carpeted by bluebells. Indeed, Saltwells Wood has been described as one of the top 10 bluebell woods in the country. To the north of Saltwells Wood is the gorse-covered Netherton Hill, spectacular when in full bloom in spring. Netherton Hill was open-cast mined for coal and clay until the 1960s. It has since been restored and is now home to several pairs of common whitethroat and linnet. The area is currently grazed by a herd of Exmoor ponies as part of a higher level stewardship agreement the council has with Natural England. The grazing helps maintain a short, wildflower-rich grassland sward. Further north still is an area of restored coal mining known as Cinderbank. 16 species of dragonfly are found here on the Daphne Pool, making this one of the best sites in the West Midlands for these ancient insects. Slow down and recharge your batteries by spending some time in this green haven and forget that you are a stone's throw from a busy shopping centre and the buzz of modern life. With beautiful vistas, secluded spots, and abundance of flora and fauna, and the area's history etched into the landscape, a visit to Saltwells Local Nature Reserve will be rewarding and revitalising whatever the season.